Hey guys, welcome to the channel The Mariners SK. So, on my previous video of Synergy Marine Group, a lot of you were asking me that how is the exam pattern of Synergy. So here I am with a detailed video about the exam analysis of Synergy Marine Group. So starting off, the Synergy's question paper consists of 200 questions. It is divided in two sections. The section 1 comprises of physics, chemistry and mathematics. The section 2 comprises of general aptitude and English. It is a computer based test, but it is done on offline centers which is given by Synergy and it is invigilated. For every correct question that you answer, you get +1, and for every incorrect question, 0.25 marks are deducted. So guys, please note that there is negative marking over here. So be very careful while answering the questions, as if you are answering 4 questions incorrect, then you are not only losing the marks for that 4 questions, but also losing a mark that you earned by doing 1 question correct. So be very careful in answering questions. The question paper pattern is very similar to that of IMUCT. Now again, the number of questions and the negative marking may change from session to session. But this is the trend which has been followed for quite a few years in Synergy's DNS entrance test. Subjects, as I had already told, it is physics, chemistry, maths, general aptitude and English. Now coming on to what is the difficulty level. So the exam is not easy. It is slightly more than the moderate level. The difficulty is slightly more than that of IMUCT, but if you prepare well for Synergy's written exam, believe me, cracking IMUCT will just become a cakewalk for you. Now coming on to the next segment, that is how to prepare. So for physics and mathematics, NDA Pathfinder and Arihant's Air Force X and Y are the best books which you can solve. The questions in these books are quite similar to that which are asked in Synergy's written exam. For chemistry, you can follow Lakhbir Singh. For general aptitude and English, you can follow Air Force X and Y. This is the best book for both general aptitude and English. The questions are very similar in Synergy's written exam. If you have well solved these NDA Pathfinders, Arihant X and Y, Lakhbir Singh for chemistry and Air Force X and Y again for aptitude and English, you're definitely gonna score very well in the Synergy's written examination. Now coming on to the results. Now the thing which is very good in Synergy's marking scheme is that they don't consider the individual subject marks. They consider only the total marks and calculate percentile on the basis of your total marks. So the last year's cutoff for the percentile was 58.98 percentile. All those students who scored more than 58.98 percentile were eligible for giving the Synergy's interview. Now guys, this cutoff percentile is tentative. It will change from session to session. But this was all to give a brief idea about the cutoff. But don't worry about the cutoff guys. If you are solving all those books which I recommend, you will definitely be scoring way more than that of the cutoff. So guys, this was all about what you needed to know about the Synergy's entrance test. Now guys, if you want to prepare with me about the mock tests and these questions which have been asked in previously, there is a Google form for Budding Mariners batch. You can fill that and the Budding Mariners scholars will reach out to you. So guys, that's it for this video. If you want to stay updated with any new happenings in Merchant Navy, stay subscribed with the channel. For now, this is Daksh Kumar signing off.